green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use red color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. It's now you draw O and use yellow color. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for quill. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. Kids, now you draw U and use black color. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yo-yo. And Z green color, red color, yellow color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11 and use red color. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26. The numbers of 26 and use black color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.